know you're getting close to home when the pine trees get tall. Well, good morning. This is day 8 of my cross-country trip. I finally got a chance to look in a mirror this morning. Woof. I definitely look like a person who's been sitting in the driver's seat for the last week with the sun beating down on them. So I'm excited to finally get home today, the last leg, go through Oregon, and then drop right into Washington at the end there. Thankfully the car's been holding up great. Hopefully the last little bit goes well, and I get to see home soon. As I've made my way into Central Oregon, I've been rolling with my windows down, and I could smell that awesome high mountain forest piney scent. So I had to pull over, grab a small bite to eat, and just admire the view. I'm gonna have to stop and dip my toes in the river. And I do it. I just have to do it. So I found a spot to pull over, and interesting enough, hey, kind of cool. Perfect. Oh. I'm enjoying being back home. I really am. Okay, seriously, I need to get back on the road. Too many stops. I'll never get home. I'm on the final stretch. I got about 150 miles to go until I hit Portland. So 3 hours-ish. I'm getting pretty tired though. It's been a long 8 days. All day today my stints have only lasted about an hour, hour and a half. So I'm going to take one more stop and then hopefully make the final push in without any more. I can literally see Washington. That's it. Other side of the Columbia River. Almost there. Just another 3 more hours to go. So this is the Stonehenge War Memorial in Murray Hill, Washington. That's right, I crossed over in Washington. I finally made it, but it's not gonna last long. I gotta jump right back into Oregon to head back towards Portland. But I first came out here, I don't know, 18 years ago or so, with my Subaru at the time. My first kind of road trip with the car just to get a cool photo or two, and this is where I came. But I had to stop here. This place is absolutely gorgeous. It's up on the bluff in the gorge, overlooking the Columbia River with beautiful rolling hills, windmills in the background. It's totally beautiful. After 8 days, 10 states, and over 3,300 miles, I've finally made it.